Keeping your floors clean has never been easier, but choosing the right robot vacuum can be surprisingly difficult with so many premium models available today. In this video, we're counting down 6 of the best robot vacuums currently available, comparing their cleaning performance, smart features, automation, and overall value to help you find the one that best fits your home and your budget. Starting off our list is the Roborock Q5 Pro Plus, a fantastic option for anyone who wants dependable cleaning performance without spending flagship money. It earns its place because it focuses on what matters most: strong vacuuming, reliable navigation, and excellent day-to-day consistency. Powered by a 5,200 mAh battery, it can clean for up to 240 minutes on a single charge, making it one of the longest-lasting models in this ranking. Its LiDAR navigation creates accurate maps of your home, while dual rubber brushes do an excellent job of picking up dust, debris, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. The self-empty dock also reduces maintenance, and Roborock's app remains one of the easiest and most reliable to use. The biggest compromise is the mopping system, which is fairly basic compared to the premium models higher on this list. It also lacks many of the advanced automation features you'll find on flagship robots. Still, if vacuuming performance is your top priority, it's an outstanding value. Expect to find it selling for around $400 to $600. At number 5 is the Ecovacs Deebot T90 Pro Omni, a premium robot vacuum that delivers many flagship features without reaching flagship pricing. It deserves this ranking because it strikes an excellent balance between performance, convenience, and overall value. With a runtime of approximately 180 to 200 minutes, it's capable of cleaning larger homes before returning to its fully automated dock. It features a roller mop with hot water washing, heated drying, automatic dust collection, AI obstacle avoidance, and an active hair removal system that reduces tangles during cleaning. Matter compatibility also makes it easier to integrate with modern smart homes. Its mopping performance is particularly impressive and competes with more expensive robots. The biggest drawback is that its app isn't quite as polished as Roborock's, and navigation can occasionally be a little slower in complex floor plans. Even so, it's one of the strongest premium values available today, typically selling for around $900. Coming in at number 4 is the iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus, a robot vacuum that continues to be a dependable choice, especially for homes with pets. While newer competitors have pushed mopping technology further, this model still earns its position thanks to its mature software, dependable cleaning, and trusted long-term performance. It offers up to 180 minutes of runtime and combines smart scrub mopping with a retractable mop that lifts away from carpets automatically. Dirt Detective AI learns which rooms need extra attention, while Precision Vision navigation helps it recognize and avoid common household obstacles. The auto-empty dock and excellent smart home integration make everyday operation almost effortless. Compared to the higher-ranked models, its mopping performance isn't quite as advanced, and it's priced similarly to competitors that include more automation features. However, for pet owners who prioritize carpet cleaning, strong software, and reliable customer support, it's still an excellent premium option. Expect pricing between $900 and $1,200. Taking the third spot is the Yeedi Omni C28, one of the best values in today's robot vacuum market. It earns this position by delivering flagship-level cleaning features at a price that's dramatically lower than many premium competitors. If you want premium convenience without spending well over $1,000, this is one of the strongest options currently available. With a runtime of around 180 minutes, it's well suited for medium to large homes and can usually complete an entire cleaning session on a single charge. Its roller mop, combined with hot water mop washing and hot air drying, provides excellent hard floor cleaning while reducing the amount of manual maintenance required. The self-empty station, hair detangling system, LiDAR mapping, carpet detection, and strong suction all work together to create a reliable hands-free cleaning experience. It also transitions smoothly between different floor types, making it a practical choice for mixed flooring. Where it falls slightly behind the top two models is obstacle avoidance, which isn't quite as refined when navigating around smaller household items, and its app offers fewer advanced automation options. Even so, its overall cleaning performance is remarkably close to far more expensive robots, making it one of the smartest buys for budget-conscious shoppers. Typical pricing ranges from $500 to $700. Our runner-up is the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra, one of the most complete premium robot vacuums available today. It consistently ranks among the industry's best because it combines exceptional cleaning performance with some of the most refined navigation and software you'll find in any robot vacuum. For homeowners looking for a premium experience that's both powerful and dependable, it's an easy recommendation. Its 5,200 mAh battery delivers up to 180 minutes of runtime, allowing it to handle large homes before needing to recharge. Reactive AI obstacle avoidance helps it navigate around toys, shoes, cables, and other everyday obstacles with impressive accuracy. Vibra-Rise mopping, intelligent room mapping, self-emptying, self-washing, automatic water refilling, and voice assistant support all contribute to an exceptionally hands-free experience. The robot is equally impressive on carpets, where it delivers excellent pickup performance while intelligently adapting its cleaning behavior. Its navigation is among the most reliable available, and Roborock's app remains one of the strongest in the industry, offering detailed mapping and flexible scheduling. The only real compromises are its premium price and a mopping system that, while excellent, doesn't quite match the newest flagship, sitting at number 1. Even so, it's one of the safest premium choices you can buy. Expect to pay roughly $1,300 to $1,500. Claiming the top spot is the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete, the most complete robot vacuum package currently available. It earns the number 1 ranking because it combines outstanding vacuum performance, industry-leading automation, advanced AI navigation, and one of the most capable mopping systems on the market. Simply put, it's designed for people who want the highest level of cleaning performance with as little manual effort as possible. Its powerful 35,000 pascal suction is paired with a large 6,400 mAh battery that provides up to 180 minutes of runtime, giving it more than enough endurance for larger homes. The fully automatic docking station handles self-emptying, hot water mop washing, heated air drying, and self-cleaning, dramatically reducing routine maintenance. AI obstacle avoidance helps it navigate confidently around furniture and everyday objects, while the extendable side brush and mop improve edge and corner cleaning where many robot vacuums struggle. The built-in pet monitoring camera is another standout feature, allowing pet owners to remotely check in on their animals while the robot is cleaning. Its cleaning performance is outstanding on both hard floors and carpets, and its edge cleaning is among the best currently available. While its large docking station requires more space and its price places it firmly in the luxury category, very few robot vacuums can match its combination of performance, automation, and convenience. If you want the most advanced all-around robot vacuum available today, this is the one to beat. It typically sells for around $1,600. Those are our picks for the 6 best robot vacuums available today. Whether you're looking for maximum automation, the best value, or dependable everyday cleaning, there's an option here for every type of home and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to check the product links in the description, and thanks for watching.